I'm about to get my headset after I...
Here we go. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Purple Cat Outdoors. We're at my grandmother's today. It's Unplug the Children Day and weekend. It's Labor Day weekend and we're gonna unplug and be away from the phones and the technology and the stuff like that. Grampy's here and Nanny Papaw are up there at the top. So let me turn this around. And stuff like that. See, there's Grampy, there's Billy,
Sup?
and there's Sasha. So, but no, we're out here just brim fishing. I got a little top water, see if I get anything. I got a cat. Billy keeps kicking my catfish rod. And stuff like that, so yeah, we'll get you on the chest and we'll be going. If you throw them hard, it's just gonna...
Okay, the red dot's on.
Yeah, you're going.
Okay.
You don't need to talk to it or anything.
I'm not. I'm good. Well,
Go ahead. Go where you want to.
I'm gonna go like right here and fish. Me?
Put anything on it. Let me fish this in.
By the way, you're on my head, guys. Ooh. Got one.
Good job, Billy.
Reel yours up a little bit.
There we go, guys. Hold on. Let me get him by the bait.
I'll tell you when to stop.
There we go, guys. Look at him. He's just a little tiny. Ooh.
Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Whoa, guys. First one of the day. Well, we caught a few before this. But first one on cam.
Again.
If I even look at it the wrong way, it will... Well, some made it. Like I said, if I even look at it the wrong way, it'll move. Ooh.
Oh, that's the old stuff. I got to delete all of it.
Excuse me, Dad.
Like, Billy should be full because I don't use that one that much.
Full.
It
should be clear. What you meant.
Stuff. That or should be fully.
Ooh. Don't you dare pull away from me.
Oh, there he is.
Egg.
Oh, he come off.
Aw, that sucks. See, Grampy almost had one. He's been the one who's
There we go.
catching everything.
Much better. Had to get
Got a
rid
boat
of.
going through over
Boat. Yeah, it's going over across the river or across the what you call it. You took all your worm already, Dogger.
See, but
There we go. Much better. Had to get rid of.
going through over.
Boat. Yeah, it's going over across the river, across the what you call it. I bet you took all your worm already, Sasha. Sure did. But I don't want you touching my camera stuff ever again. Next time I will whoop your butt. That's why I didn't have any room on there.
Wow.
Because she took it and started playing with it. It sits on my desk, and she shouldn't have been in there, but she went in there anyhow. I guess it's when she got up and Mama was asleep.
Okay. Not if you don't flip the bell.
That's what I was saying. That's what happens if you junk it. There. Got it out there.
Alright. I can't see that far.
Come on. Picture yourself. Hey, Sasha, I got you one.
Really?
Yeah, here. Huh? Well, I didn't mean to catch that one on her either, but I did.
Up.
Shell cracker.
Up.
If you would stop. Bye-bye. It's like a jig. It's gone. You don't see it no more. Stop jumping. There it goes. Watch your cork. It's right over there. Okay. I want you to be able to do it yourself. You watch it, and when it goes under and you don't see it no more. Okay. I want you to try doing it yourself.
Okay.
I'm going to see if I can get a bass over on this side. Pop our. Oh, the mosquitoes are heavy. Ooh. That's what you get for when you don't watch your cork. You did not. It went under. Did it not? That little.
I got him.
Go help Grampy.
Whoa. Whoa, what have I got? Let go. Hold it.
Oh, you got a drum or a catfish? The way I see the way it's moving. It's gotta be one of the two. Look at the catfish. Look at it just spin. Is it a catfish?
No.
What is it?
One of them big old things.
Oh.
The shell cracker?
Shell cracker.
Damn. It was just spinning like a damn catfish.
Yeah. Let's go in the shell. That's a nice shell cracker. And a small one or a big one.
Oh, hey. Bad brim. Bad. Sasha. Oi.
What?
Well, I caught a fish. Oh. What did I get? Huh. Huh. I said you got one. Look what I got.
He caught a tiny catfish. Here, let me get that on cam.
Billy, look where your camera's pointed. You're pointed up to the sky.
Oh.
Oh.
Look at that.
I hate these things and I don't like touching them, so I'm going to use the
Yeah, I can't really. I got it.
I hate
Oh, how do you even touch them?
I hate catfish.
Here you go.
How do you even hold it,
They're the
catfish?
whole
Here,
reason.
you throw it out.
No,
But-
go put him in the thing, and then we'll show them that, and then we'll release them.
How?
Ah.
Ow!
Just wait until he stops moving.
I hate you, catfish.
I don't want you to move.
What do you do? Keep coming. I only catch them because.
Here's some that brim right there is Sasha's. Grampy caught that catfish.
Yep, what'd you do with the hook?
Boy.
I threw it out there, right, Dad? And I was watching it. And
I want to see.
You need to go. See, they're fighting down there. They're trying to go.
Yeah, hit the cork.
Why?
Hey.
No.
Got him, but
Quit.
Stop it.
Did you get one?
yeah, I had one, or he's probably still on there, but I'm all messed up. I ain't got no light to see how to. Don't you hand line that in, cause it'll mess everything up here. All right.
I don't think he's on.
I don't see my floater out there anywhere.
Reel it up.
There he is.
He's on. Can I reel him in?
Yeah.
Leave it alone. I don't give a flying crap. Leave it alone.
All right, here you go.
I got him. That other one was just a little big. Oh, it's a beauty. Do we keep him?
No, he ain't big enough to keep. You know, you're shooting in space with your headlamp.
Billy, come here and I'll fix it. Let me throw this out real quick.
Yeah, cool. Whoa.
Like that?
I can see it.
There. Let me double check on the screen here. Oh, you Billy, you can't touch the screen on the back. It's not like you can really see anything anyhow. There. Now you got worm goop in your hair.
Wow. Oh, it's not mine. Where did I set? Oh, yeah, I set mine right there. Back to untangling. It's nothing boring. Dad, will you cut this part? I'm just literally untangling.
I know how to do that.
I need help, too.
Phone?
What?
Get the light on your phone.
Well, no, I don't have my phone. It's plugged up. It's only at 12%.
Sasha, I need you to watch.
Oops, sorry.
Watch it.
Here you go.
See that little white dot over there?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Billy, let out some line.
Who? Me?
Hold it, hold it.
Pull in. Now flip it back over.
Better watch it. You're getting a nip.
Oh my gosh. I told you to stop flinging it now, didn't I?
Yeah, kind of.
No, I didn't. No, kind of. I told you. Even Grampy could tell you I did.
Yeah, you did.
But I told you this is what happens when you fling it now, didn't I?
Sasha, you're getting nips. Don't reel in when it goes under, because he's just nipping it right now. I don't know if you can see it, but you need to while you're watching it.
You want me to go in?
No,
You don't go to the feet wet.
look at it.
I was hoping I'd get something on the catfish rod just for the fun.
No.
We're gonna go over here and take a Yahoo break.
Well, if we're gonna do that, we might as well just go to the house.
No, he's talking about going over here and picking up a...
My Yahoo. Then Dad just rolls the goofy laugh. Yahoo! Yahoo! Should I go run up to the house and get some rappel? go ask him.